Okay, we have a Milltronics Cnc flatbed teach lathe, model ML2260, serial number 10950. This machine was new in 2009 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a Milltronics control, conversational, and also G-code programming. Right now we're running the spindle 350 RPM. It goes up to 2,000. 500. Spindle is very quiet. $750. You have a hardened and ground bedways. This machine also does have a gap in the front where you can swing 31. Is using the C-axis. This machine also does have live milling. You have a bar Furality TBM servo turret that takes VD40 tooling. Right now he's moving the Z-axis. Again, those are hardened and ground bedways, very smooth. The X-axis. Index. You see there the live tools turned, the indexed. It's going to do another index. Great. Those are the hand wheels. He's using a remote. Hold on. That's the remote jog hand wheels, or the hand wheels. You also have a joystick. And then we have the tailstock. The tailstock's number 5 Morse taper with 6 inches of travel. There you go, manual tailstock. Great. Okay, so you've seen the tailstock, the turret, indexing. You saw that the tools are live. You have a 3-jaw chuck, the hand wheels, Milltronics control. You also have a remote jog handle on the machine, and you have an enclosure. Hey, thank you for watching our video.